Okay, we're going to start the process of rehoming Bobby.
Down there. Hi, Bobby. It looks so sad. I know.
There he is, little Bobby. Are you ready for the rehoming process? Are you ready?
Susie, you got a friend. Should we get him out? Yeah.
Gate closed.
Yeah. Now.
Oh.
Oh gosh, he's grown.
Yeah, he has.
He's grown 2.5 kilos in how many weeks, Jess?
He's gotten longer.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, 2 kilos.
Yeah. Look who it is, Susie.
Welcome to your new home.
Well.
He got his rabies shots yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, he had his second vaccination yesterday, so here's his card. Oh shit, where's that from?
You looking for some food? Does he eat dry food?
Yeah,
He's
he
due
is
again on
trying.
the 21st of October, right? So, I can come and get him. And
Oh, on the 21st?
Yeah.
Looky there. Even Susie has a bed. Even Susie has a bed.
So that's his second one he had yesterday. And they said he looks really good. And
Yeah, you've done.
He's filled out a lot.
Yeah, he's grown. What you doing, Susie? You see Bobby?
He's got some toys. So I have brought, I think for the first couple of weeks, he needs to be caged at night.
At
Okay.
night?
Just until he gets used to it. If you're asleep and he gets under that fence and
Oh,
wanders,
no, I plan on putting something there so he can't go. And I
I'm
plan on
just-
putting our padlock on it
I'm just,
so no one can open it.
Okay.
But
Well-
no, I'll
But
cage it.
I've got a bigger cage.
Oh, okay.
And I thought what you could do is put him in the cage at night because he's used to it, right?
Oh, you cage him at night?
No, but-
he doesn't mind it. He doesn't like. The other day I got mad with him because he ripped something. No, he dug. You should have seen my backyard, our front yard. So I put him in that for like 2 hours. He just laid in there.
Yeah.
He's just like, okay. So I got a big black one. So
Yeah.
I thought I would leave that with you.
Okay, just
And then
temporary.
if you went out or something, you know,
Okay.
you could put him in it and know that that's
No
where
one-
he is
yeah.
when you get back.
Yeah, because I told him we can't leave the gate open no more when we leave. We have to.
But when you
Okay, well, Bobby's enjoying a little bone. Did you go hide your bone? Susie's wanting to come in. She's wanting to get his bone, but I'm not going to let her in yet. We'll let him finish his bone first. Okay. Hello, Bobby. Hello, Bobby. Susie's here with us. Bobby's here. I'm going to take Bobby for a walk. Want to take a walk, Bobby? You want to put on your little suit? Let's take a walk, huh? Want to take a little walk? We're going to walk up there to Vince's. Let's see if I can get his little thing on here. I don't know if he's going to let me or not. I don't know. Come here, Bobby. Want to go for a walk? Let's see, how does this work? You know how this works, huh? You know how this works? Come here, Bobby. Come here, Bobby. You know how. This goes on his back, so I'm guessing his legs go through. Come here, Bobby. Come here, Bobby. Bobby. Come on, Bobby, let's go for a walk. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go for a walk. Come on. Come on, Susie, let's go. Come on, Bobby, let's go. Come on. Come on, Bobby, let's go for a walk. Come on, Susie. Come on. Okay, we're gonna try and do this. I gotta figure out how I can do it, or it'll get us on video at least. Come on, Bobby. Come on. Susie. Come on. Come on, Susie. Come on, Bobby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Bobby. Come here. Come on, Susie, let's go for a walk. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go out and explore. Come on. Come on. Want to chew on that? Come on. Let's go. Come on, Suze. Come on, Bubby. Come on. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're fine. I got you. I won't let nobody hurt you. Come on. Come on. Zeus, come on. Susie. Susie. Let's go bye-bye. Come on. Come on, Susie. Come on, Susie. Bobby, come on. No. No. Come here. Come here. Okay.
You wanna go with you?
Susie don't even want to go. Well, that was a failure.
Did he didn't walk?
Come on. Come on, Susie. Come on, Susie. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Susie. Come on, Susie. Let's go. Let's go for a walk. Come on, Bobby. Come here. Let's go for a walk. Come on, Susie. Let's go for a walk. Bobby. 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 Hey. You want to go for a walk with Susie? You want to go for a walk with Susie? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, I got you. I'm not gonna let nobody hurt you. Come on. Come on, let's go with Susie. No, no. Come here. Come. Okay, you can go now.
Getting her, Bobby? You getting Susie? Is he getting you, Susie? Is he getting you? Yes. He looks huge all over her. I'll get you. Then we'll go in and get him some bones from the butcher.
Inside.
You need your jammies on? You a little chilly?
You can be happy to go back outside.
Because it's cool and warm around here. He's gonna fall asleep there, ain't he? Look at yourself, Bobby.